Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate and cranberry flapjacks. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, grab yourself a medium sized heat proof bowl which can go in the microwave. Then place in your golden syrup followed by the butter and not forgetting to add in the light brown sugar. Then melt on 30-second intervals until the butter is completely melted. Then give it all a good stir and it should all come together. Once it has, you'll want to let it cool down a little bit, as I did about 2 minutes and it was too much, so I wanted to let it cool for just a second. So while I do that, I take a large size mixing bowl and place in my oats, and then also not forgetting to add in that liquid mixture and give it all a good mix until it's fully coated. You want the oats to take on that kind of golden colour that the liquid mixture has become, and that's, once you've done that, it looks good and you can bake these off and that's a great flapjack on its own. But to make it a Christmas special, I'm going to also add in some dry cranberries and some white chocolate chips. Just fold these in and be quick as the flapjack mixture is warm and the white chocolate will melt. It did happen for me a little bit, but not too major, as you still get the taste of white chocolate in there. Just fold these in until they're fairly distributed, then transfer into the base of a 9x9 inch square baking pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then spread and level it out as best as you possibly can, and once you're happy with it, you can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. Here's what it looks like fresh from the oven, and to finish it off, I've just added on some more cranberries and just press those in with a spatula, as it's a little bit more stubborn to work them in. Don't forget to also scatter over some white chocolate chips, then allow them to cool completely. I then chill mine in the fridge and I cut mine up the next morning. I cut mine into 9 portions, but feel free to cut them into more or less depending on how many people you want to give these to. These are very big portions, so feel free to halve them and you'll still get a very generous treat. Again, the choice is up to you and cut them into as many as needed. But these are just like a basic flapjack been elevated with the use of white chocolate and cranberries, because it's Christmas time and I don't know, white chocolate and cranberry just seems to be a good flavour combination. And here's what mine look like, and yours will look somewhat similar. It won't look the same, but it'll look similar. And you can tell the white chocolate melted a little bit there and it's just all collected in the bottom, but you know what, it tastes good nonetheless. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and a link to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.